Top five foods for zinc?
Ranking by percent daily value of zinc per serving of that food, and only considering relatively common foods you're likely to be able to find at your local grocery store. Coming in at number 5 is liver. Different types of liver will have a little bit different amount of zinc, but they average 41% daily value per serving, which is 3.5 ounces measured raw, about 3 ounces cooked. Coming in at number 4 is mature soybeans. A serving is half a cup. That'll be about the same whether you're measuring cooked or raw. And that also delivers 41% daily value of zinc. Coming in at number 3 is crab. Different types of crab will have a little bit different amount of zinc, but they average 43% daily value per serving, which is 4 ounces measured raw. That's about 3 ounces cooked or canned. Coming in at number 2 is beef. Different cuts of beef will have a little bit different amount of zinc, but beef averages 44% of the daily value of zinc per 3.5 ounces measured raw. That's 3 ounces cooked. And the top best food source of zinc is oysters. Again, different types of oysters have a little bit different amount of zinc, but they average 327% of the daily value per 4 ounces measured raw or 3 ounces cooked or canned. It's a pretty huge difference between the top food source and like the second best food source. And if you would like to know all of the best food sources of zinc, you can look that up for free on my website. Go to Nutrivore.com, tap on nutrients, tap on zinc. While you're there, you can learn about all of the amazing health benefits of getting enough dietary zinc, how much we need, and how much is too much. And the best food sources are listed at the bottom of that article. And you'd probably also really enjoy my top 25 foods for every nutrient ebook. So check that out while you're on the site too.